My name is José Isidro Sánchez, Instructor Roger Julio Manga Montalvo. Evidence Video Coordination in Logistic Projects. Nutrition and Work Environment. Telling building nutrition and workplace productivity in undoubled. The quality of not only influences individual health but also has a direct impact on work performance, therefore creating corporate environments that promote healthy eating not only benefits employees but also becomes a key driver for a more engaged and productive workforce. Let's remember that the quality of the food we at your job listily directly impact our cognitive ability, energy, physical endurance, and ultimately on productivity and work and tour. Gore highly impacts not only the individual but also their workplace effects. Exercise at my work. Physical activity is not only beneficial for your well being also increase your productivity and improve your mood. By exercising during the workday you increase the flow of oxygen and nutrients to the brain, which in turn stimulates cognitive functions. This translates into greater concentration, improved problem solving skills, and increased creativity. Additional exercises can reduce stress and increase your sense of well-being, helping you manage work demands more effectively. Un clear example is activity where you can do straining, yawning, or aerobics. Mental health in my work. Mental health is vital in the workplace because influence employee productivity and helping when employees feel mentally healthy, they are more focused and effective. This translates improved performance and job satisfaction, which benefits the entire company. Providing mental health resources and promoting and positive cultural health employees feel valued and understood. Mental health breaks allow you to reduce stress and improve focus for greater productivity. Bibliographical reference. Thank you.